Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints. Now we have our DYC Mustang here. We peeled off the Avalanche Gray Plasti Dip and it's up for a brand new color. Now let me give you a little bit of backstory here first. A couple videos ago, we had David from the YouTube channel That Dude in Blue at DYC headquarters. We did our Audi S4 in a brand new custom blue Plasti Dip and we actually named it after him, Dude Blue. Now we got a bunch of feedback after that video came out saying that David has a Mustang in Grabber Blue and a bunch of people were saying we should have named our new custom blue Grabber Blue after David's Mustang. But there's a couple problems. First, the Dude Blue color doesn't really look like Grabber Blue, so there'd be a disconnect there. Secondly, we already have a Grabber Blue Plasti Dip gallon. A bunch of people didn't know that because we'd never done a video on it before. So what are we doing on a DYC Mustang right now? Of course, Grabber Blue. Enjoy the video. So we finished up with the car and I can definitely see why David and so many other Mustang owners choose Grabber Blue. The color is just perfect. Now this is a matte version, a little bit more aggressive, but again, the color's right on point. The application was super easy with this one, very straightforward, Avalanche Gray base, Grabber Blue on top. If you want to do your car in Grabber Blue, super simple. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the Grabber Blue Pro Car Kits. All you have to do is select the size of your vehicle. We use the medium kit on our Mustang here. If you have any questions at all, email us CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Call in, or the fastest way is to chat with us directly on the website. It's Fonzie. Hope you guys enjoyed this simple and fun project. Let's take it outside so you can check it out. I'll see you on the next one.